We're taking a trip back in time, but with a futuristic twist. The car we're looking at is this, the 2005 Kia Cerato. Now you might be thinking, a 21-year-old car, really? But the question we're re-asking today is a big one. Is the 2005 Kia Cerato still a reliable daily driver in 2026? Let's find out. First, let's talk about what made the original Cerato, or Spectra as it was known in some places, so popular. Back in 2005, Kia was really starting to hit its stride. They were offering cars that were affordable, packed with features you'd usually find in more expensive models, and came with that incredible warranty. The Cerato was a testament to this philosophy. It was simple, honest, and built to last. It wasn't trying to be a race car. It was designed to be a dependable A to B machine for families and commuters. So fast forward to 2026. How does this veteran hold up against modern traffic, modern expectations, and the simple test of time? Let's start with the heart of the car, the engine. Most of these came with a 1.6-liter or a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. These aren't powerhouse motors by today's standards, but that's actually their secret weapon. They are relatively simple, non-turbocharged engines. This means there are fewer complex parts to fail. With regular oil changes and basic maintenance like replacing belts and spark plugs on schedule, these engines are known to be incredibly durable. We've seen examples pushing well past 200,000 miles without any major issues. The key here, as with any older car, is a good service history. If you find one that's been looked after, the engine is likely to be the most reliable part of the car. Next up, the transmission. Whether you're looking at the automatic or the manual, the story is pretty similar. The 5-speed manual is about as bulletproof as they come. It's a straightforward gearbox, and as long as the clutch has been treated with some respect, it should give you no trouble. The 4-speed automatic is also a tough unit. It might not be the smoothest or most efficient by 2026 standards, but its simplicity is its strength. The most important thing is to check that the transmission fluid has been changed at regular intervals. Neglected fluid is the #1 killer of automatic transmissions, so that's a crucial point to check on a potential purchase. Now, let's talk about the driving experience and the interior. Okay, let's be honest, you're not getting a massive touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, or a digital dashboard. The interior is a sea of hard but durable plastics. The design is a product of its time. But here's the thing, it all still works. The buttons are chunky and easy to use. The air conditioning on a well-maintained example can still blow ice cold, and the seats are surprisingly comfortable for longer journeys. For a car that costs next to nothing in 2026, having a functional, comfortable cabin is a huge win. Plus, there's less to go wrong. No glitchy infotainment systems or phantom electronic warnings to worry about here. Of course, number 21-year-old car is perfect. What are the common weak points to look for in 2026? First, check for rust, especially if you live in an area with harsh winters. Look under the car, around the wheel arches, and at the bottom of the doors. Surface rust can be treated, but serious structural rust is a deal breaker. Second, suspension components. Things like bushings, shocks, and control arms are wear and tear items. After 2 decades, they will likely need replacing if they haven't been already. Listen for clunks and rattles on a test drive. The good news is that parts for the Cerato are still widely available and, more importantly, very affordable. It's a simple car to work on, so labor costs at your local mechanic should be reasonable too. So the final verdict. Is the 2005 Kia Cerato a reliable car in 2026? The answer is a resounding yes, with a condition. If you can find a well-maintained example with a solid service history, it represents one of the best value-for-money propositions on the used car market. It's a car that will start every morning, get you where you need to go without fuss, and won't cost a fortune to run or repair. It's the perfect first car for a new driver, a great second car for the family, or just a super cheap, dependable commuter. It proves that you don't need all the latest bells and whistles to have reliable transportation. Sometimes simple and well-built is all you need. What do you guys think? Do you have any experience with these older Kias? Let me know your stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.